Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Joyous Times. My name is Akshada and let's quickly dive into today's video. As the title suggests, today I'll be talking about some of my purchases from the recent iHeart Beauty sale which was conducted by Purplle. Now Purplle is a beauty site similar to Nykaa. So I wanted to experiment with makeup. I am just a beginner in makeup, but sales are a great time to purchase makeup since you are a beginner. So why not to take advantage of it, and let's get started. First thing I'll be talking about is very generic. It is a must have for all the girls. It is an eyeliner by NY Bae. This brand called NY Bae. It comes in such a packaging. It retails for 150 rupees and we get 6 ml of product. Now the bottle looks something like this and it has a very elongated cap which helps in getting a precise tip. It is super pigmented, super black. I am wearing this right now and I would say it dries down matte. It does not dry down in a shiny texture, so that is a good thing. This is how it looks. I hope you can see. I'll mention all the prices down here. And the second product that I got is this mascara from Maybelline. This is their Hyper Curl mascara and I've got it in the washable version. There are two versions. It comes in waterproof and washable. So personally I didn't think I needed a waterproof mascara, so I went with the washable version of this, and this also I got for a really great discount. This is how the wand looks like. It gives you very nice lengthening. I don't know about volume because I'm wearing it today and I don't see any volume as such, but it gives you a really nice length and also separates your lashes out. So yeah, got this one. Coming to the next product, we have yet another product from NY Bae, that is their BB cream with SPF 20. Now it claims that it is water resistant. I don't know about that, but it also has cucumber and aloe vera actives. This is what the packaging looks like. This retails for 149 rupees and we get 27 grams of product, which is pretty good, I guess. This also comes in various shades. The shade that I got, I thought which was similar to my skin tone would be beige cookie, but unfortunately it is very much lighter to my skin tone, so it is not a perfect match. Here it is. You can see it is very light. It is not my skin tone. It is extremely light for me. So yeah, that's the third product which I got. So the next product that I have for you is very exciting because I was really excited getting this. So let me tell you a short story before showing it to you. So as a beginner, I wanted to experiment with more colors of lipstick and I didn't wanted to waste too much money in getting like 12-15 lipsticks, or even 4 to 5 lipsticks would cost me around 1,000-1,200 bucks. But what Purplle has is there's a brand called Stay Quirky. Now they have a set of mini lipsticks of like 12 or 6 in 300 or 400, which is very affordable. So I was eyeing to buy those set of mini lipsticks. The brand NY Bae had mini lipstick kit. So this kit consists of 4 lipsticks. This is their Runaway mini lipstick and it is so cute. Look at this. It is so cute. I will share the close-up shot with you. It is retailed only for 199 rupees. Can you guess, you are getting 4 mini lipsticks for 199, which makes it 50 rupees per lipstick. And in the sale, I even got it for more discounted rate. And this NY Bae Runaway mini lip set is actually infused with argan oil, so that makes it more nourishing. So if you are a beginner like me, or even if you want to experiment with lipsticks, this is the brand which you should go to. It is NY Bae and there are many sets of lip kits to select from. So the mini lipsticks looks something like this. You can see they are super cute and super affordable. This is what the packaging looks like. The packaging is not that sturdy, but coming to the price that I got it for, I am super happy with it. So I have the shade names written at the bottom, so if you like this mini lipsticks, you can go ahead and buy the full size lipsticks also. So the first shade is Highlight 03. I hope you can see it clearly. Second shade is known as Designer Spotlight 02. It looks something like this. A really nice red, I would say. So the third shade is why I got the entire set. This is insider look. It looks something like this. It is a beautiful burgundy plum or dark nude, you can say. Perfect for Indian skin tone. And into the fourth shade, this is known as Rehearsal Look. You can see it is a really nice peachy pink color. So you can see there's a very nice variety of lipsticks that you get in just 200, that is 50 rupees each. First is like a fuchsia pink, then comes like a red, then there's a plum color, then finally we have a pink. So there's a really nice set of colors that we get in one mini set, and I'm so happy by this purchase. I can experiment a lot with this set, and definitely you should check this set out if you are on a budget. And all the products that I've showed today will be mentioned in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out if you are interested in purchasing any of these. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.